Tamil Nadu raised 9 spillway shutters at 8:30 pm on Monday night in the anticipation of a maximum storage capacity of 142 feet. By raising the shutters by 120 cm each, 12,654 cusecs of water were made to flow into the Periyar. After the 2018 floods, this is the first time to increase the flow of water by this degree into Periyar. As 12,654 cusecs of water flowed from the dam into the Periyar, the Vallakadava Chappath Bridge was flooded. The floodwaters began to rush through the Chappath Bridge around 9:30 pm on Monday. More than a dozen houses in Vallakadava, Vigasnagar and Manyumala areas along the Periyar coast were flooded. However, Tamil Nadu closed 3 spillway shutters around 10 pm. Further, 8,380 cusecs of water flowed through the 6 shutters. Kerala Water Resources Minister Roshi Agustin arrived at the site around 9:45 pm to assess the situation. Tamil Nadu closed all the other shutters except one by morning. Then the water started receding from the houses. Meanwhile, Water Resources Minister Roshi Agustin said that Tamil Nadu has released water again at night without warning. This is painful. Although it is convenient to open the spillway shutters during the day, a large amount of water was released at night. This is against democratic practices, added the minister. Notice has been issued everywhere. Various departments have completed the preparations. Minister Roshi Agustin, who addressed the local media reporters at Nedumkandam, said, Kerala's protest against the opening of the Mullaperiyar Dam in Tamil Nadu without warning during the night time has been informed to the Supervisory Committee and will further inform the Supreme Court. Kerala has informed the Tamil Nadu Chief Secretary and Chief Engineer regarding the same. He also demanded that the water level in the Mullaperiyar Dam be regulated and that the opening of the dam must be avoided without warning. At the same time, M.M. Mani MLA criticized the move of Tamil Nadu as pure indecency. It was during the time of Indira Gandhi and Manmohan Singh that the Congress leaders had to start their struggle over the Mullaperiyar issue. Dean Kuriakose and V.D. Sadishan are currently on strike. However, during Congress rule, none of them put enough pressure on the centre. M.M. Mani also alleged that the issue was made worse by the Congress government. The low-lying areas of Vandiperiyar were flooded when Tamil Nadu raised 9 shutters on Monday morning as part of water level control. Earlier, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan had written to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin asking him not to let the water out at night. Yet, the continuous raising of spillway shutters in the morning is a testament to the fact that Tamil Nadu is not giving any consideration. There were severe protests in the area surrounding Vandiperiyar region against raising the spillway shutters at night. The district administration has started relocating those living along the Periyar coast to various camps. However, when Tamil Nadu informed about opening the spillway shutters to the district administration, it was very late. Revenue officials and the Panchayat were therefore too late to seek information. As a result, it took too long to relocate the people living by the banks, which led to widespread protests. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.